What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. And today I'm doing an unboxing of the GoPro Hero Black white version. Let's get it. So here it is, y'all. It's the GoPro Hero 7 black and white, like Michael Jackson said. But yeah, so like I was online, I actually just figured out they had a white version of the 7 or the black. So I'm like, I guess cool. Supposedly special edition, you know, that's how they rope you in, throw that special edition word out there, and everything is, you know, it is what it is. So that's how they got me. They was like, yo, this is special edition. You're gonna be the only one in the streets with this one, so you got to go out there and, you know, spend the extra 50 to get this. So retail $3.99. They actually did have a promotion running on the standard black version, 50 bucks off. For whatever reason, you know, you couldn't do that with this. So it is what it is. I did actually, I meant to mention that I went and started like an entirely other like video. I was gonna do like an unboxing on the Yi action camera, the 4K plus version, an older camera, but I actually I saw good reviews on it, and a lot of people liked it, and a lot of people were saying that it's probably second best when it came to GoPro. So, you know, I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and check this out. You know, tried it out. Camera seemed cool from the start, like as far as just operating it, but I could never get the app to work with the camera. So for me, this being my first go with action cameras, and you know, I want everything to work, at least out the box. So, you know, I went ahead and returned it and decided to go ahead and stomp with the big dogs with the GoPro Hero 7 Pro or Black, or what am I saying? GoPro Hero 7 Black, aka white. Dusk White, by the way. So, but yeah, before we go ahead and get into the unboxing, I guess read some of these features. You know, 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60 frames per second shooting, and 1080p 240 for your slow-mo. What is this? 33 feet below or underwater is what it supports for the, it's actually without the case, it's still water resistant or waterproof or whatever, so you don't need a waterproof case to get some waterproof functionality out of it. So that's kind of dope. I would still use a case, you know, just to protect it. What is this? It's got a speaker, you know, for recording audio right off the camera. From what I've seen, is actually pretty good. We're gonna test some of that stuff out. Touchscreen, 8x slow-mo. It's got your GPS. You got HDR, hyper smooth stabilization. They advertise gimbal-like stabilization. So we're gonna see what that's all about. And live streaming. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and let's get right into this, man. It's my first action camera, so my first one that I think I'm gonna keep anyway. So let's see what we get in the box. All right, it's a nice packaging though. Nice, got that hard plastic. A lot of companies be copying it, so they ain't the only ones that's doing it. But you got your camera right here on the top. What is this? How do I get this thing? Remove. What is this? Okay. I'm feeling real slow right now. What is this? What is this? Okay, so all right. We in there. Hold on. Wiener dog. Hold on. I thought. There we go. You know, overcomplicate the unboxing, why don't you? But there's the camera. It has a little plastic cover on it. I'll just take this off for the moment. I'm sorry, there we go. And let's see. What is this? There we go. Cool. So this is the camera without this case. Good quality. It's nice rubbery feel. What you got here? No battery in there. Looks like there's an SD card slot up in there. What's this here? You got your ports right here on the side. Got your HDMI, USB-C port, so that's good. Supports you for your USB-C cables that you got. But let's see what else we see what else we got here in the box. Any other accessories? You know, got the instructions. Okay, what is this? Then we got some. What are these? Are these dash mounts? I'm gonna go ahead and say those are dash mounts. Got your battery and your cable for charging. So no other cases or anything that came with this one. I am gonna order some up for the videos that I do actually want to shoot with this camera. I'm gonna need a case. I plan on shooting some paint videos for you guys, let you guys see what your boy does for a living. But let's see here. Let me go ahead and throw the battery in. We can power it on. Kind of go through the settings a little bit. Let me check out that manual too, so I can see what these are. I believe these are like dash mounts though. So we got. Everybody I know tells me I need to get another battery, so I will be trying to get another battery. 1220 milliamp hour battery. A lot of people say the battery life is trash on like all GoPros, so don't expect much. So there we go. I probably can't do too much right now. I ain't buying no SD card. Let's see. I will power it on. Let's see what we can do. You know, got the turtle on the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and peel that off. So I'm gonna definitely take this out, man. I'm really happy, man. Like, just off this initial unboxing. Based on the things that I've seen. All right, come on now. All right. Based on the things that I've seen, you can get a lot of stuff out of this GoPro. So, okay. So I'm in. So it does let you like just kind of look at things, go ahead and set it up. Not that it matters much, I guess, but I kind of like the feel in the hand when you're navigating a little bit here. Obviously, I haven't used it at all, but so let me turn the GPS on. I gotta go get my phone with the GoPro app. Let me see. It's pretty nice, clear screen too. So all the words and everything look pretty good and decent resolution. So it's not blurry or anything like that. Give me a second. I'm about to go run and grab my phone, and we can pair this up with the GoPro app. All right, y'all, we back. Let's see here. Let me go find the app real quick. Okay. Got the GoPro app. Go to camera. So Start a GoPro app on your phone. To finish the setup, leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So, let's see. Go back to the app. Add a device. Connect to a camera. Allow. GoPro Hero. Oops. I'll show y'all, I guess. So, basically, I'm gonna go back. Settings. Add a device. I don't know what that is. Hero 7. We may not be able to connect to your GoPro due to settings issue in your phone settings. Please turn on smart. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let me give me a second. I'm gonna go run through the instructions real quick. I'm gonna come back at you with some info. Give me 1 second. All right, y'all. So I was just being stupid. So, I guess I just had to ignore it. I had to ignore that other step. So, I'm gonna go ahead and update. I got an update here for the camera, and then. Okay, so it looks like my battery is dead, so I gotta charge it up. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna come back at y'all with some footage, you know, trying out the camera and whatnot. We're gonna let this thing charge up. We're gonna have an SD card put in it. We're gonna do some video, you know, checking it out, and I'm gonna get back with y'all in a sec. Okay. All right. This is being shot 4K, 24 frames. No mic, super view. There's a whole bunch of different settings on here. I just kind of want to give y'all a little taste of the. This is, what time is it? Like 6. Hold on. 7, almost 7:30. Yeah, my dog's peeing. I ain't gonna show it though, but. So in the evening. Come on, girl. Y'all see the stabilization. It's got the hyper stabilization on. Let's see. I'm not really even like doing any extra. There's no gimbal. I just got it on a little tripod, a handheld tripod. I'm about to actually start running for a quick second. I'm kind of trying to hold it straight, but I'm not really doing too much. It's a little light jog, but see what the stabilization is like. Like I said, this is a super view. I'm just gonna do this. Is gonna be like just a little quick test of the camera. I'm gonna do another more in-depth, a little bit more in-depth comparison with like the Galaxy S10 stuff. So try out different shots, different frame rates and all that stuff. But let's see. This is all auto and all that stuff. No no editing or anything. Actually looks pretty good outside right now, so it should be a pretty decent shot. But let me know what y'all think about this. But yeah, the audio is straight out the camera too. No mic. So let me know what y'all think about this in the comments for sure. But like, subscribe to the video channel if you like. We'll be back with another one. It's your man. I'm out.